In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart inbox management. We're focusing on a few powerful Gmail features that cut through clutter and help you respond on time without stress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to snooze messages, build time-saving templates, and turn on nudges so important emails don't slip through the cracks. Start by opening your browser and logging in to Gmail. Take a second to get familiar with the inbox layout. When you hover over any message, a small row of action icons appears. That's where the first time saver lives. If you can't deal with an email right now, use Snooze. Hover over the message and click the little clock icon. Choose a time like later today, tomorrow, next week, or pick a custom date and exact time. The email will leave your inbox for now and automatically return to the top when you're ready to handle it. This keeps your focus on what matters today while protecting future you from forgetting. If you need it sooner, you can always find snoozed messages in the snoozed section on the left and adjust the timing. Next, let's set up templates so you don't retype the same replies. Open Settings, go to See All Settings, then open the Advanced tab. Find Templates and enable it, then save your changes. Gmail will refresh and you're ready to build your first template. Click Compose and type the message you send repeatedly. Keep it clean and reusable. Use placeholders like "Hi there" and leave room to personalize a line or two. When it looks good, click the three dots in the Compose window, hover over Templates, choose Save Draft as Template, then Save as New Template. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Descriptive names make selection faster and reduce mistakes. Now, whenever you need that reply, open a new message, click the three dots, go to Templates, and select the one you saved. The subject and body will instantly populate. Before sending, scan for placeholders, add any specifics, and confirm details. This simple habit turns repeat replies into a two-click task. Finally, turn on nudges so Gmail taps you on the shoulder when something needs a response. In Settings, under the General tab, look for the nudge options and enable them. Gmail will gently resurface emails you might have missed or should follow up on, placing them near the top with a helpful reminder. That's it. Snooze to focus, templates to move fast, and nudges to stay reliable. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.